What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for clicking on the video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's free to do and I'd greatly appreciate it. I am here with my Roborock S7 robot vacuum. It is time to do a bin replacement on it. Here I have my original bin, and here I have a bin that I just received in the mail from Amazon. With my original bin, again, I've had this robot for 5 years, so this bin has lasted me 5 years, which is great for a robot vacuum. Good longevity out of it. But as you can see here, my main door here does not close properly and stay closed because it has a crack in it. And as you can see, I've already glued the entire perimeter of my original dustbin here. And with that, it has shifted that main door. The main door attaches with 2 hooks here and here. On the front side, there are 2 little indentations here and here that these 2 clips grab onto, this one and that one, and they no longer grab. On the new one, you'll see it here, same 2 clips, same 2 holes, or same 2 hooks there, and this one closes and stays shut. So I'll have this linked in the description below. If any of you guys have robot vacuums and your dustbins are wearing out, and or you have mop function capability as well, and your water tank has cracked or anything like that, there is replacements. I'll leave that in the link.
Water tank installed.
I'll leave that in the link, or I'll leave that in the description, excuse me, with a link for you guys. But here is the replacement going in here. I do have to transfer over my filter over to the new one, so let's do that. With this, it's just a clip here on the right side of the dustbin. That opens up, stays open. This one here, the original, kind of flimsy now, doesn't stay open like the brand new one. Doesn't feel as smooth, I should say. But as you can see, it stays open right there. Got a little dust on there, but I'll clean that off in a second here after the video. Putting in the filter here. Make sure that fits properly, make sure it closes properly, and make sure it goes back into, or make sure it goes for the first time into your robot vacuum, and you get your message saying dustbin installed.
Dustbin installed.
Perfect fit. Out with the old and with the new. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're new. It's free to do and I'd greatly appreciate it. See you guys in the next one. Peace.